Okay, Oreck Magnesium vacuum cleaner. Kinda works, but doesn't suck strong enough. So I suspect something's wrong with the impeller. I've had to take this thing apart to change a belt once. So we'll see if we can get it apart again. Little latch under that one there that has to open up. Okay, so here's the motor. Now we have to figure out where the sucking part is. This looks like it snaps on, so therefore it must snap off. Alright, let's start taking this apart. Actually got me wondering, maybe there's just a blockage in here somewhere. Hopefully I find a bouncing ball or some kid's toy stuck in here. Maybe that's why it doesn't suck so well. Let's see. This looks like it kind of pops out. One more. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. There's a piece of foam jammed in here. Well, that'll be why it doesn't work. Let me get all this other junk out here. There's the problem. A piece of foam was jammed in that little trumpet-shaped thing. Now it's clear as a whistle, sort of. Probably ought to try to clear that out a little bit more, but I think we found the problem right there. Well, start putting it back together. Couldn't sound happier.